Well, this is our question. Solve the equation. How do we solve such a question? Well, we simply start with taking this part to the other side, right? In this case, we'll have square root of 2t minus 1 being equal to t minus 2, right? Yes. What's next? We get rid of the square root. How do we get rid of the square root? By simply raising it to the power 2, meaning that even this side will raise it to the power 2. So this cancels out with this. Therefore, we'll remain with 2t minus 1 being equal to, well, we know that this is the same as t minus 2 multiplied by t minus 2, right? Yes. So what's next? Well, for this part, we just expand it. Okay, for that part, we just expand it. So this multiplied by this, so it will be t squared minus 2t this by this minus 2t plus 4. Yeah, it's all about expanding that part. So after expanding it, we'll have this. Okay, from there what do we do? Well, from there we just group like terms together. In this case, I'll just say I'm going to get all of these, take them to the other side, right? Therefore have t squared minus 40 minus 2t plus 4 plus 1 being equal to 0. Okay, what's next? So t squared, this will give me negative 60, this will give me plus 5 being equal to 0. Okay, then I'm going to check if I have my product sum and factors. Yes, if I will have my factors. Okay, if I don't have the factors, then I'm going to proceed and use the bus formula or any other formula that can work. Okay, so what's my product? This, the coefficient of this multiplied by this, right? So 5, the sum is simply negative 6. What could be my factors? Let's check for this. Okay, minus 1 and minus 5. Yeah, this will work. Okay, because when you multiply negative 1 multiplied by negative 5 to give you 5, then when you add this it will give you negative 6. Therefore we have t squared minus t minus 5t plus 5 being equal to 0. Okay, what's common here? T minus 1. What's common here? 5t minus 1 equal to 0. So t minus 5, yeah, then here I have t minus 1 being equal to 0. So t minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore t is equal to 5, or t minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore t is equal to 1. Okay, I have my values of t, right? Yeah, I have two values of t, but I need to check out for the domain, right? Yeah, I need to check for the domain to see if both these answers are valid or not. It's very important, guys, to check. Okay, well, how do we check for the domain? We simply get this part which is under the square root. Okay, So we have 2t minus 1 equated to 0. Solve it. You have, after solving it, you have your t being equal to half. So what is our domain in this case? Well, our domain will start with this, okay, and then it will go all the way up to positive infinity. Why do we say so? Well, it's the matter of checking, okay. It's all about checking. What we don't want here under the square root is having a negative number, okay. So when we get half and plug it there, inside here we'll have 0. The square root of 0 is 0, and in that case this thing will be valid. But when we get something that is less than half, we'll get a negative value, and we don't want to get a negative value. Therefore our domain becomes this, right? So we'll now go back to our answers and ask ourselves to say, are both our answers between our domain, our answers between half and positive infinity? Well, the answer is yes. If the answer is yes, therefore both our answers are valid. Okay, both our answers are valid. Thank you so much guys for watching.